Okay guys, what we have here is a open back headphone. Now this is a unique style. I'll show you guys in a second. This is some of the feature. I'm not gonna read all that for you guys. Let's just open it up and show you guys. So it comes in a very nice box. Comes in with a bunch of different instructions and all that stuff. This is the headphone itself. The charging cable should be there. Yep, charging cable is there. So let's go ahead and remove this and I can show you guys the headphone. So this is the headphone, one on this side and one on that side. And let me guys show you guys something. You could charge it through here as well. And then if you're holding it like that, you could just spin it. Watch this. I think that's my favorite part. I could just spin this thing all day long. It's like a spinner. So yeah, overall guys, the headphone quality is very nice as well. It's pretty big. As you can see, the light is indicating they just turned on. That side have a light on as well. So yeah, very cool. If this is your style and you want to go ahead and give it a try, go ahead and let me know what you guys think. And if you do have any question, just let me know and I'm more than happy to answer any question for you guys.